the challenges. So the next question is, how adventurous was the trip? So interviewer is asking the question, how adventurous was. So adventure means, you know the meaning of adventures, right? So the meaning of adventure is சாகசம். எவ்வளோ சாகசமாக இருந்துச்சு, இல்லை எவ்வளோ இதாக டிஃபிகல்ட்டியாக இருந்துச்சு, எவ்வளோ வித்தியாசமாக இருந்துச்சு. ஸோ இன்டர்வியூ இஸ் ஆஸ்கிங் த கொஷின் டு crew members. For that, Vartika Joshi is answering that whenever we were crossing, when we were crossing the Tasmania Sea, we visited the brilliant southern lights from the sea. So she is saying, she's sharing some experience that when they went in the INSV Tarani, that when they were crossing the Tasmania Sea. So when they are crossing the Tasmania Sea, they witnessed. Witness means they saw, they seen or saw. Okay, they saw the brilliant southern lights from the sea. So they saw the brilliant southern lights from the sea. So this brilliant southern lights means there will be a colorful lights in the sea. That is, it is a natural only. There will be some different colors of light from the sky. I'll show you the picture. So this is the brilliant southern lights from the sea. So deep inside the sea, they can able to see the different kinds of lights like this. Deep inside the sea from the sky. So it is a natural light. So they can able to see this lights from the sea. So this is the southern brilliant southern lights from the sea. So they have seen that, they have saw this kind of lights inside the tea in Tasmania Sea. It was rare to watch that in those months. So this bright lights, that is this brilliant southern lights from the sea, is very much rare to see in those months, that too from the sea. So on the sea lende பார்க்கறது ரொம்ப rare. We were absolutely half struck means they are absolutely very much wonderful. They are very much surprised to see that from the sea, because it is very rare in those months. So they were absolutely awestruck, as we were not expecting it to see the entire sky light up in the green light. So they didn't accept that this entire sky will be showing in green light. So I have shown you in different colors, but they have saw in Tasmania seas only a different that is, the sky is full of light green in color. There were bioluminescence there were bioluminescence dolphins swimming in the wave of the boat like our neighbors, and a variety of sea creatures. So they didn't see the southern lights from the sea. So also they saw the bioluminescence. So the meaning of bioluminescence is, see, the product of light by living organisms. The product of light by living organisms. So living organisms means உயிருள்ள பொருட்கள். So there will be a product of light. So there will be a reflection of light from living organisms, that is from sea creatures. Sea creatures கிட்ட இருந்து ஒரு chemical reaction மூலமா they will be having some light reflection. Okay va, through chemical changes only in sea creatures body, they can able to see the light reflections. I'll show you the picture. See here, this is water. So you can able to see some dots. So this is the reflection of lights, okay va, from the sea creatures, that is insects la irukulle and the mari sea creatures it is having. So see, this is creatures inside the sea. So you can able to see the reflection of the light from their body, okay va. So this is the bioluminescence. So they saw this also. So they saw the lights from the sky in the sea, and they were very much excited. And they didn't see that alone, they have saw bioluminescence and also the dolphins swimming the wave of the boat like our neighbors, and a variety of sea creatures. So they saw the dolphins swimming, அதாவது அவங்க செயில் போட்டு ட்ராவல் ஆகுது இல்லையா, அது கூடவே வந்துட்டு டால்ஃபின் இஸ் ஆல்சோ ஸ்விம்மிங் ஆஸ் ஏ நெய்பர், அதாவது பக்கத்தில் அதுவும் ஒரு நெய்பர் மாதிரி அது ஸ்விம் பண்ணிகிட்டே போகுது. அண்ட் ஆல்சோ லாட் ஆஃப் வெரைட்டி ஆஃப் சீ கிரியேச்சர்ஸ் தே ஹாவ் saw. We spotted a dead sperm. We spotted a dead sperm whale once, and we thought it was an island from a distance. It was so huge. We are not specialists, so whenever we spot something in the sea, we have to Google it to learn more about the species. So and also they saw the dead sperm whale. ஓகேவா, ப்ளூ வால் அது மாதிரி இது ஸ்பெர்ம் வால்னு சொல்லிட்டு இருக்குது. ஸோ தே saw the dead sperm whale. ஓகேவா, once they have saw this, they thought it is an island. ஸோ அது வந்துட்டு வால்னாவே வந்துட்டு அது ரொம்ப பெருசாக இருக்கும். ஸோ they thought that is an island, but it is not an island. From a distance they saw the dead sperm wall, but they thought that is an island, but it is not an island. So they were not a specialist about the sea creatures. அந்த sea creatures பற்றி எல்லாமே தெரிஞ்சிருக்கு அவங்களுக்கு தெரியாது. So they googled it and they have learned about the species. So they have identified that is a sperm whale, not an island. How did your crew spend time in deep sea? So now interviewer is asking the question, how did the crew spend deep inside the sea? So what are the hobbies like they are interviewer is asking. For that Swati Patrapalli is answering, during a circumnavigation we picked up some hobbies and kept posting pictures of delicious like gulabas and cakes. So Swati Patrapalli is answering that during circumnavigation they all others are having some hobbies. Each and everybody will be having a different hobbies, right? So each and everybody is having different hobbies, and they have been posting pictures like gulabas. Gulaba means nothing but pani puri and some cakes, baked cakes. Okay, wow. So they will be cooking that, and they will be sharing the pictures to the others. We also read books when was the weather was pleasant, and did some quilling and art craft. So we are not only baking or doing gulabas, we read books also when the wind was pleasant. And also we'll be doing some quillings. Quilling means it is a kind of art. I'll show you the picture. So this is a quilling. I hope you have know already. So this is the art of quilling. So through the papers they will make whatever shape they want. And this is the type of quilling. So during free hours they used to have some cookings, and also they'll read some books when the weather was pleasant. Also they'll do the craft work also. While team leader Joshi read comics and the Ramayanam during her journey. I love cooking and also as well, so I could include in baking. I like I also like crafting a lot. So I used to make lampshades. I love it and people appreciate the food that I have cooked. So I gave my crew member the best dishes that I possible on the land with the limited resources that we had on the boat. So Captain Vertika Joshi read some books like comic books and Ramayanas, and Swati Pratabali was good in cooking. So she baked a lot of baking foods, and also she loved to do craft works also. So she made lampshades. So while cooking, all the other members used to appreciate her, and she was very much very much interested to cook for the all other five peoples. So she made the best dishes for them, whatever possible, whatever she had in the boat. அதாவது நம்ம வந்துட்டு லேண்டில் இருக்கும் இல்லையா, நம்ம லேண்டில் என்னென்ன கிடைக்குமோ அதெல்லாம் இவங்க வச்சுருப்பாங்க இல்லையா, ரேஷன் ஐட்டம்ஸ்லாம் வச்சுருப்பாங்க இல்லையா, அதெல்லாம் வச்சு வாட் எவர் இட்ஸ் ஹேவிங் ஷீல் மேக் சம் டெலிஷியஸ் ஃபுட் டு அதர் பீப்புள்ஸ் ஆல்சோ அண்ட் ஷி வாஸ் வெரி மச் ஹாப்பி ஃபார் தட். Vartika Joshi is also explaining for the same question. So the question is, how did the crew spend the deep time? How did the crew spend time in deep sea? That is, they are asking how they spend the times in deep sea. So now Vartika Joshi is explaining that 6 is a great number. We were always entertained. ஸோ 6 இஸ் அ கிரேட் நம்பர். 6ங்கிறது நல்ல பெரிய நம்பர் தான், நிறைய பேர் தான் இருக்கும். ஒரு செயில் போட்டில் 6 பேர் ட்ராவல் பண்ணுறங்கிறது இட்ஸ் அ பிக் நம்பர் ஒன்லி. அண்ட் வி வேர் ஆல்வேஸ் என்டர்டைன். ஸோ எவ்ரிபடி வில் பி என்டர்டைனிங் பிகாஸ் வாட் தே வில் என்டர்டைன் மீன்ஸ் we watch to movies, listen to music. So they will be watching movie and they will be listening to music, and you won't believe that some of the goodies of the crew rested up for a tiny pantry even while sailing in rough seas. So we'll be watching TV, we'll be watching movies, we'll be listening music, and also you won't believe that some goodies, that is some good people, some members, that is some crew members will be rested upon to our tiny pantry. Rustle means that is they'll be preparing in a short time food items. Rustle, the meaning of rustle is preparing short time foods. Preparing short time foods is called as rustle. So the rustle up in a tiny pantry. Tiny pantry means it will be a small room, or it will be a small place where the pantry, that is where the cooking will be done even while sailing in the rough seas. அதாவது ரொம்ப காற்று when the voyages will be in the rough situation also, they will be making some quick time recipes for us. We made parthas, baked cakes and breads, and even made alwas and rasagullas. So even we made parthas. So they made parthas and baked cakes and breads, and even they made halwas and rasagullas. We celebrate festivals at the sea. When we think about in it on the land, we would remember the Diwali we have spent at the sea. So not only we will be enjoying these kind of hobbies, not only we will be making cooking alone, we have celebrated festivals at the sea also. So when we think about it on the land, when they that is they have celebrated the festivals on the sea, no, right? So when they think about the festivals on the land, we remember the Diwali they spent at that sea. So during the sailboat journey, they have celebrated Diwali. So whenever they remember about the Diwali, they could able to remember the travel they have traveled in the INSB Tharani. We celebrated 3 birthdays, including the first birthday of the boat, and also specific occasions like crossing the equator, the international date line, and such. So also they have celebrated birthday also. Birthday means not crew members birthday. So they are saying that the first birthday of the boat, so boat or the first birthday, and also when they are crossing the equator, they have celebrated as that as a birthday also, and also the international date line. So these kind of celebrations also has been done in sea voyages. What motivated you to fulfill the country's expectation? So the next question is asked by interviewer is, so what motivated, என்ன உங்களை வந்துட்டு ஊக்குவிச்சிச்சு இந்த கண்ட்ரியோட எக்ஸ்பெக்டேஷன்ஸை நீங்கள் ஃபுல்ஃபில் பண்ணுறதுக்கு அப்படின்ட்டு. ஸோ அகெயின் Swati Patrapalli is answering to interviewer that we knew that the entire country was watching us and praying for us. So we were never wanted them to have a single day thinking that we are in trouble. So Swati Patrapalli is answering for the interviewer that we knew, everybody knew, that is we knew means that the crew members knew that entire country was watching us. So entire country எல்லாருமே வந்துட்டு உலகத்தில் இருக்கவங்க எல்லாத்துக்குமே தெரியும், இந்தியாவில் இருக்கவங்க எல்லாத்துக்குமே தெரியும், they are watching us because we were having a journey in INSB Tharani. So everybody knew that we were traveling, and praying for us also. So everybody are praying for our safety, for our successful journey, everything, and also they are watching us. So we were never wanted them to have a single day thinking that we are in trouble. ஸோ அவங்களுக்கு வந்துட்டு ஒரு நாள் கூட நாங்கள் ட்ரபிளில் இருக்கணும்னு தெரியவே கூடாது. We had never wanted them to have a single thinking that we are in trouble. ஒரு நிமிஷம் கூட ஒரு நொடி கூட வந்துட்டு நாங்கள் ட்ரபிளில் தான் இருக்கணும்னு சொல்லிட்டு அவங்க திங்க் பண்ணியிருக்கக்கூடாது. We knew that it is going to happen, but the people out of there did not know what kind of challenges we were facing. So we knew what is going to happen. So if they are traveling, if some storm comes or whatever it comes, they will face the situation and they know how to overcome the situation. But the people out from us, that is out from them, அந்த செயல் பண்ணுறவங்களை தவிர மற்றவங்களுக்குலாம் they don't know what kind of challenges they are facing, because all the Indian peoples are not traveling alone with them. They are the only 6 women are traveling in the sailboat alone, and they don't know what are the challenges they are facing. So one of the motives that we kept in the mind was that we did not want to get frightened them. So one thing of the motives, ஸோ ஒரே மோட்டிவ் தான் வி கெப்ட் இன் மைண்ட், ஒரே ஒரு ஊக்குக்கோள் தான் எங்களோட மைண்டில் வச்சோம். வாட்டர்ஸ் மீன்ஸ் வி நோ நீட் டு ஃப்ரைட்டன் தம், நம்ம வந்துட்டு அவங்கள பயன்படுத்தக்கூடாது. ஸோ தட் இஸ் த only motive for us to keep in mind. So that is only the motive to keep in mind, and we no need to frighten anybody in the out of the sea. We decided that once the circumnavigating was over, we are going to show that whatever have actually gone through. So we have decided not to hide them from everybody. அதை நாங்கள் வந்து மறைக்கணும்னு நினைக்கல. whatever challenges we have faced, we didn't think that to hide from anybody. So but after we decided that once after completing the circumnavigating was over, we are going to say whatever the challenges we have faced inside the sea. So that only all the women can able to come out of their challenges, and they can able to win in their society. So that they have decided to showcase all the challenges to the women in India. So the next question is asked by interviewer is, as a woman, how would you consider this expectation? So she is asking, as a woman என்னது, ஒரு பெண்மணியாக நீங்கள் எப்படி இந்த எக்ஸ்பெக்டேஷனை வந்து கன்சிடர் பண்ணுறீங்க, எப்படி நீங்கள் இதை பார்க்குறீங்க? இப்போ நீங்கள் வந்துட்டு இதில் ட்ராவல் பண்ணலை, பட் இந்த ஜேர்னியை பற்றி நீங்கள் என்ன நினைக்கிறீங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு இன்டர்வியூ இஸ் ஆஸ்கிங். ஸோ ஃபார் தட் Vartika Joshi is answering that is a matter of great honor, and we could not have imagined anything better for our outcast. So our cast of. So it is a matter of great honor. So Vartika Joshi is saying that it is a great honor. So in the point of other women she is speaking, it is a great honor for all the members traveled in this journey, and we could not have imagined anything better for our cast of. So also she is saying that we can't able to imagine such kind of journey to be traveled. Of course, we been all women team in a great boost to the women in our country. Of course, she is saying, Vartika Joshi is saying that of course being all women, so all the crew members are women, right? Being all women, it is a great boost, it is a great energy for them to achieve in the boost to women in our country. It is a great energy, and it is a great high position that we are the women in our country, because only the women are sailing in the boat, right? So they have felt that it is a great honor for them for traveling in the sailboat. But as we are going as a sailor, and we as sailor have seen that seas does not discriminative between genders. So and also she's saying that, so in inside the countries only there will be a gender problem, right? So but in sea, so here she's saying that up to this she's saying that it is a great honor that they have traveled, that is in the point of other women. Vartika Joshi is saying that it is a great honor for them to travel in the sea. Of course all the women's all the of course we have traveled, and this will make every woman's to boost up in our country. Okay va. But here from here she is saying that as we are going as a sailor, and we as a sailor we have seen the sea does not discriminate between genders. So in here in countries only there will be a gender problem, but sea doesn't have any discrimination. Because as a sailor நாங்கள் போகும்போது the sea does not discriminateனா partiality. It didn't show any partiality between the genders. It always gender neutral, and we have realized that gender does not play the role in sailing. ஸோ வந்துட்டு சி வந்துட்டு எங்களுக்கு எந்த ஜெண்டர் ப்ராப்ளமே எல்லாமே நியூட்ரலாக தான் பார்க்குது. அண்ட் தேர் ஒன்லி வி ஹாவ் ரியலைஸ் தட் த ஜெண்டர் இஸ் நாட் த ரோல் ஆஃப் செயிலிங். ஸோ ஜெண்டர் அதாவது மெயில் தான் வந்துட்டு செயில் பண்ணுங்கிறத, மெயில் தான் வந்துட்டு அங்கே செயில் பண்ணணும் அப்படிங்கிறத பிரேக் பண்ணுற மாதிரி த சி ஹேஸ் சப்போர்ட்டட் தெம். So that only they are saying that. So they have realized that gender is not the role of sailing. ஸோ இங்கே ஜெண்டர் வந்துட்டு யார் செயலிங்கிறது யார் போனாலுமே சி இஸ் வெல்கமிங் தெம். பட் டு பூஸ்ட் த மாரல் இன் our country for more women to take in adventures like sailing, I feel it is the great that an all-women team had been formed to undergo these expeditions. But she is saying, Vartika Joshi is saying that she is not having any discrimination between genders, and she is welcoming all the genders neutrally. They have realized that the gender is not playing the role in sailing. And also she is saying that but to boost the moral in our country, but to boost the energy in our country for the women's, இங்கே வந்துட்டு உமன்ஸ்க்கு பூஸ்ட் எனர்ஜி ஒரு எனர்ஜி கொடுக்குற மாதிரி for more women, a lot of women are still inside the houses, so they have to come out of the house to take adventures like a sailing. So take not only sailing, whatever activities they have to come out of them, and they have to fight for their freedom. I feel it is great that all women team, so I feel great, it is great that all women team had been formed to undergo this expedition. So I feel that is she is feeling that all the women to make a must make a team and need to go this expedition. That is not a journey. Here expedition means long journey, but she saying in general that she could not only in sailing, in everything they have to undergo a long journey. எல்லாத்துலேயுமே வந்துட்டு நல்ல சக்ஸஸ்ஃபுல்லாக வந்துட்டு விமென்ஸ் வந்துட்டு வரணும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு வர்த்திகா ஜோஷி சேயிங். ஸோ அப் டு திஸ் lesson is over. So empowered woman navigating the world lesson is over. Thank you.